my name is Cindy Chen. I would like to give you a private tour for this beautiful home, Six Fair Harbor in Newport Coast. When you walk in through this beautiful double French door, and you will see this iron staircase, and also this cathedral ceiling is actually nothing but shows how grand this house is. And I would like to show you other highlights of the house. Hope you're enjoying the tour. We're now at the formal living room of this magnificent estate. There are 3 double glass French doors give this room ample amount of natural lighting. From every angle of this house, you will get to enjoy the beautiful ocean view. At the private bar is a perfect setting for you and your friends to smoke a cigar and grab a few drinks before dinner. Right across the hallway, you will walk into this spacious dining room. Now we moved over to the bright, spacious, and comfortable family room. It's a perfect place for you to spend quality time with your loved ones. As a workaholic, this is where I spend most of my time at. You are greeted by this cozy sitting area before you enter the grand master bedroom suite. Now we are at the grand master bedroom suite with the amazing ocean view. Gorgeous home sits on a half-acre corner lot featured with a swimming pool and a barbecue area. Ideal place for you to entertain your friends and family. I hope you're enjoying today's private tour. Contact me if you or your friend would like to call this place home.